All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we bring you Sopiguard for the Z Flip3, and I'm pretty excited about this one. I've been waiting for this, so I appreciate Sopiguard sending over some skins. Great company. I've been supporting them long before they were doing these type of sponsorships for the channel, and I just appreciate them taking care of me like this. So this video, they sent over the new Onyx. This is the rugged Onyx, and this is black, and they also sent over a color shift, and they also sent over a different one, man. This is the Matrix, the 3M Matrix, so this is gonna be really nice. I'm just kind of, I don't know which one I want to put on, man. Let's open these two up. I'll probably just rotate them out, man. I don't know, but I want to open this up, this Matrix, because I like texture. And if you don't want to use, oh, that's like a soft touch, little grippy. I like that, but I'm gonna go with the Onyx because I know, first I'll go with the Onyx. I know that the Onyx is gonna give some serious grip, and this is very nice. So these guys use just the best Avery Dennison. This, if you don't know about wraps, you've got 3M, and a lot of cars use Avery. If you've ever had a car wrap, so they're using premium products, just so you know. And I will continue to always support this brand here because I've purchased a lot of their skins, and you know, they're just high quality, and you'll get them within a couple of days. Yeah, so gonna do the old shift tilt here, get the wet wipe out, and we're gonna get this all cleaned up. Skins start at $9 from them, man. So you just can't go wrong with putting a skin on your device if you're one of those people who just don't want to use a case. Now, since I do have a skin in now, you know, maybe I will do some case giveaways. Who knows? But skins definitely don't protect your device like a case will. So I'd be putting a case on and off more than likely, but I'm not sure yet. But here is Sopiguard. I gotta keep the rag, the microfiber cloth right there. So we're gonna put this on. I'm going to try to get this on a clean install for you. Let me get this right here. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this one off. Since it's got the, since it's got to go around the camera. So I'm going to get quiet and see if I can get this focused on here. I'm using the camera module and LED for the alignment. I didn't use the back portion there for the alignment. I use the camera module and it wraps around nice. Yeah, I probably won't use a case anymore. Ooh, that is nice. That is nice. Look at that. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Let's close it up real quick and check the lens here. Yep, look at that. Tanaso lit, bro. This Z Flip is lit. What are the chances? Shout out to Tanaso lit, man. So yeah, I got this one on. Yes, it's good. So now I am going to use this portion right here to line it up. All right, we'll get this put on. I always heat these up after the video to make sure that they stay on, because I want them to stay on nice and tight. Yes, 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 yes. This is beautiful all in its own right there, man. Just that, you know, honestly, something about this phone that I didn't notice. Something about the phone that I didn't notice. I didn't notice the groove here around the camera. A little dip right there. Never noticed it. And I guess that's why when you use a case, there's a little dip right there. And it's on here too. I didn't notice that. So man, you will be able to remove cases and put them on and off with their skins. You just make sure you heat them up, heat the skin up, and it'll be fine. And this is just beautiful. This phone needed some grip, and now it has it. Wow, that is nice. I mean, this onyx color here is one of my favorites. Let me show you on a different device. I keep it on my, and you see I have it on the OnePlus, and I always take it on and off. Once you heat them up, they're good to go. So here it is on the OnePlus. Wow, that's beautiful. And the OnePlus is a curved body. And as you can see, I keep it in and out of cases, and it's no problem. All you do is heat it up that one time, seal it up pretty good, and you'll be good to go. Look at that beautiful onyx. Oof, this is crazy. It actually brings out this display a lot more than it did without it, because this part over here is like a mirror finish. And with the skin on it, this is kind of a shiny type skin. Yeah, this is gonna be, you can dress your device up, folks, any way you want to. There's no limits. This is just so beautiful. I mean, it is beautiful. I can't tell you how nice this looks. So it really doesn't have anything to do with the front of the display, but you know, this is good. This is how it looks. Since there's no kind of nothing going on with the front of the phone with the skin, it's just all screen up here. So this is your new setup, and I bet you this skin right here, this color shift would just look sick. I know it would. And you can do two-tone, folks. You can do two-tone skins. Like, look at this. This would be great with the black. This color shift is nice. It's shifting between a purple and like a blue. It's really nice. So I highly recommend that of all these, like I've been saying it for a while, I highly recommend, and these are 3M, the color shift and the matrix here. Now, if you don't want to go with the shiny version here, obviously this is why he's got a couple of different versions. You can go with this flat matte version still. It's got a really small little dots in there, and it has texture just like this one here does, the Onyx Black. But the Onyx Black has a little bit more, it's like a brick feel, and it feels really good. But this is really nice to the touch as well. So, man, I will enjoy the device even more now, because now I feel more comfortable walking around with it without a case on it around the house. Now, this isn't going to stop it from any kind of drops. Boom, if it drops on the edge or something like that, everything's exposed, but it'll definitely save it from scratches. You don't have to kind of try to wipe off any more fingerprints. It's, you know, fingerprints, I don't know why people complain about fingerprints anyway, but hey, it is what it is. So yeah, I'll heat this up and we'll get this thing going, man. So there it is. This is just so nice. Sopiguard is here, and I am ecstatic, folks. This Onyx Black is really nice. So I'll see you in the next video. Links down below. Take care.